Well, this one is an easy 30-second question. A car travels along four sides of a square at speeds of 200, 400, 600 and 800. So a car is traveling equal distances of the journey at different speeds. Okay. Let's say this is the square with sides D. We have average speed, total distance upon total time, which will be equal to total distances d plus d plus d plus d 4d upon total time will be sum of time taken in each of these individual parts. Okay, like here the distance is d and speed is 200, so time will be distance upon speed, d upon 200, d upon 200 plus we have d upon 400 plus d upon 600 and plus d upon 800. D in the numerator and in the denominator will get cancelled, and finally we will get average speed as 384 km/h. Done.